Narrated said bin Zayd, Allah's apostles said, whoever usurps the land of somebody unjustly, his neck will be encircled with it down the 7 earths on the day of resurrection. Narrated Salim's father Ya Abdullah, the Prophet said, whoever takes a piece of the land of others unjustly, he will sink down the 7 earths on the day of resurrection. Narrated Ibn Umar, the Prophet said, oppression will be a darkness on the day of resurrection. Narrated Abu Musa, the Prophet said, a believer to another believer is like a building whose different parts enforce each other. The Prophet then clasped his hands with the fingers interlaced while saying math. Narrated Anas bin Malik, Allah's apostle said, help your brother, whether he is an oppressor or he is an oppressed one. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr bin As, I heard the Prophet saying, whoever is killed while protecting his property, then he is a martyr. It was narrated that Amr bin Ghalib said, Aisha said, O Amr, do you not know that it is not permissible to shed the blood of a Muslim except in 3 cases? A life for a life, a man who commits adultery after being married. It was narrated from Abdullah bin Buraida that his father said, the Messenger of Allah said, killing a believer is more grievous before Allah than the extinction of the whole world. Narrated Ibn Abbas, the Prophet sent Muad to Yemen and said, be afraid from the curse of the oppressed, as there is no screen between his invocation and Allah. It was narrated that Abdullah bin Amr bin As said, the Messenger of Allah said, by the one in whose hand is my soul, killing a believer is more grievous before Allah than the extinction of the whole world.